Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Bricks here, and we are going to check out all 5 Advent calendars, day 15. That's right, day 15. Let's check it out. Alright guys, starting off with Harry Potter. If you hear my teeth chattering, it is cold. So, let's rock this out. Alright, so we are on day 15. That's right, day 15. I just gotta find it. Where did day 15 go? There we are. Perfect. Alright. Got a, what looks like a wand and a book build. Nice little build. I love these pieces for that, so I am excited. Unfortunately, it's not a printed tile. I think they are slacking on that one, but nevertheless, it's still a great piece. So we have a nice little book here. Now, as you guys know, I don't take these apart until I put it in my city. So I will pop these in. Great part for a 1x4, or no, sorry, it's a 1x3 with a stud jumper. Moving on to city, day 15. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, so it looks like, I don't know what this is. Is this another type of hospital? Or after I build it, you guys tell me in the comments below, because to be honest, I'm not really sure. We'll see how it comes out. Alright, there you guys have it. A nice little intricate build. Again, not exactly sure what it is. Yeah, so tell me in the comments below, what is that? Let me show here. What do you guys think that is? What do you think that is? It looks like some kind of hospital. Alright, let me know. Moving on to Friends, day 15. Let's see. Alright, we have what looks like another little table of sorts with a little kitten, which is always awesome. I love getting animals. To be honest, some of the Friends animals are a little cheesy, but that's okay. Alright, there you guys go. A nice little table. Oh, or no, it's a cat tree. That's what that is. That's a cat tree with a cat on it. That's awesome. Cool deal. Moving on to Marvel. Oh, that's day 23. Oops. Alright, and we got another minifigure. So, we got a Captain Marvel here. Always love getting minifigures. Alright, and there you have it. Captain Marvel. Cool stuff. Good printing. And last but not least, Star Wars. Zoom, 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 zoom. All right. Now, I kind of know what this is. Alright guys, so we have a nice little speeder. So I don't know exactly what this is called, but I do remember this kind of speeder from the movies where they're racing around in the Ewok area. I apologize, I don't know which movie it's from or anything like that, but nice little build. I'm a little confused because in the picture it shows that these are a little more that these are they look different, so I'm not exactly sure if I'm doing it right, but I don't know. Nevertheless, it's a great build, really like it. Alright guys, there you have it. Day 15. Tell me what you think of the builds. Really like a couple of them. They look really cool. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on 36 Bricks. Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Bricks here, and I just want to give a special thank you to all my Patreon and YouTube members. It really does mean a lot that you guys are investing in me and my channel, and I am super excited that you love everything that we're doing on the channel. So thank you guys so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like my content and want more, you can sign up with my memberships on both Patreon and YouTube, and we will see you next time on 36 Bricks.
Ooh, this one's cool. Check this one out.
I agree, that one's cool, but this one's awesome.
Ooh, I like this one. I just can't stop watching.
Well, I like them all, and I'm gonna subscribe. Can you do the same? Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 36 Bricks.